Basically, this is a website which I created using the WordPress itself, and I'll be telling each and everything about this website. Not just this website, but I'll be telling about everything that you need to know about creating a website that looks very professional, as well as you can literally make that website and turn it into a freelancing gig and earn from that basically. So this was it about the website. You can check it out. So hey guys, welcome back on this episode. In this video, we'll be saying about how you can make a website without learning to code. Basically, if you don't know HTML, JavaScript or Python or CSS, any of them, you can still make websites using like no code tools like WordPress and Blogger, and eventually you can make and earn money from that using freelancing, which is the latter part, and we can cover that in the part 2 of the video. But basically in part 1 we'll be looking at how you can make websites using WordPress and many other tools like that, how much that is going to cost you, and basically it is going to be free of cost also, and if you apply some more cash to that, and so if you invest some more money, you can literally make much more results from that. So basically let's get started. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And now here is the video of how to create your own website without learning to code. So basically this is a website which I created using the WordPress itself, and I'll be telling each and everything about this website. Not just this website, but I'll be telling about everything that you need to know about creating a website that looks very professional, as well as you can literally make that website and turn it into a freelancing gig and earn from that basically. So this was it about the website. You can check it out in the link in description also. This is basically about the Hollywood stars and stuff like that. So this was all about the website I created within just 5 minutes, and that just took me 5 to 10 minutes, and I created this as fast as possible. So guys, I'll be teaching you the exact step-by-step process here. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to log in into your WordPress, or if you don't have any account, just click on the link in description and create your account first on WordPress or Blogger. Blogger also is secondary, but I personally prefer using WordPress because it gives you extra plugins by which you can make more and more things, unlike the Blogger which do not provide any single plugin. So just because of that, I prefer WordPress for that. So you can just go and type here wordpress.com and create your own account here. But after that, there is really a need to apply a theme there. So basically I have different sites which are just like created way back. But the thing is guys, let me tell you from beginning itself. So first of all, I just logged out from my profile itself, and I'll be telling you how to start that from beginning itself without having any account on WordPress. So let's start that. First of all, create your account here. Just click here. Your entire free hosting provided by WordPress, and WordPress gives all the benefits to you by providing free benefits like hosting and many more things. So let's get started. You can literally type in your email here or continue with Google. Basically you can type any email here and continue with Google and create your account. And when you log into this account or any account that you are doing now, basically first of all you have to choose your site name, and after that you get a free domain. I personally not, if you just want to create a website, you just want to enjoy that stuff, so you can get started with the free domain. But if you really want great domain and free hosting and stuff like that, if you want to take to the advanced level, you can get the free domain from the link in description. And also if you buy hosting with that, you will get the free domain from Hostinger, which is like I personally prefer. And the website I showed you now, this is my website. This website I have created through WordPress only, but there is a hosting aligned with that, which is taken from Hostinger, and also the domain is bought, that is .in domain, which is a cost-tier domain. So you have to buy that to become a professional website blogger and stuff like that. But if you just want to enjoy that stuff, you can go and activate with the free domain. So basically that was all about buying a domain. So if you want to buy the domain, link in description, you can take that out from Hostinger. In the hosting plan, you can get a free domain also, so you can proceed with that. So like if you want to get started with freely, you can choose here the website. Like for example, I want to create website, the website. So if you see here the website, here the website .in, which is free for first year if you buy the WordPress premium plan. But if you are going to just go into the free website, so you can select here like random domain name created by WordPress only. So you can start here with free site, and after that, like, you can literally make anything you want to create in this stuff. But after that there is a limit, you have to upgrade that plan and have a look at that also. But the main thing is, guys, you can choose here for what you want to do it. If you just want to create your own, so if you just want to create your own portfolio website, you can literally start by just like promote myself or business. You can create here and continue. So like choose your category, choose anything you want to choose here and continue. And this is what you have to do. You just have to follow the step that provided, and you can choose the theme here. That is all that you need now. So if you just want to create your own portfolio, you can select your portfolio and just use. So here you can see the themes available for your portfolio, and you can choose from here anything you want to like create. And after that, just laying the foundations, and boom, it will create a website in just few minutes. And here is your website available. You can copy the domain or your website URL address, and just you can share it wherever you want. But if you want to be a professional website maker or professional blogger, or you want to create your own website like professionally and share it with your website friends and family members, you need to buy a domain from Hostinger. You can see here the Hostinger plans. Basically there are different plans, and with that every plan you get a free domain, and that is really an awesome thing that you get here with the Hostinger. The link in description, you can check that out. It is just starting from 149 rupees per month, and you get a free domain. Here you can see free SSL certificate as well, and a free domain, free email, that is professional email, and also it is optimized for WordPress. Optimized for WordPress means basically with this account you will get WordPress premium free of cost, and that is all that you are getting into this one hosting plan. And you can check that out from link in description, and you can get also 10% extra for that. And that was all about in this very video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you learned something valuable in this video, do check that Hostinger account if you want to upgrade yourself, and also share this video with your friends and family members. Basically that was all about it. You can also check this website which I created about Hollywood stars news and stuff like that, so you can check that out from link in description. It was just a quick website that I created. That was all about the stuff today. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And that was all about this website creation. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.